Is your credit score a mystery? Borrowing blindfolded? Ever feel like your credit score is a big fat question mark? You're not alone. Millions navigate the confusing world of credit scores, wondering if that number represents their true financial picture. Especially in Canada, where keeping tabs on your credit health can feel shrouded in secrecy. That's where companies like Borrowell step in, promising to unveil the credit score mystery. They offer free access to your credit score, but with so many free services these days, a healthy dose of skepticism is natural. So, is Borrowell legit? Can you trust them with your financial data? Let's crack open the vault of credit score knowledge and see if Borrowell holds the key. Who is Borrowell? Borrowell isn't a bank or a credit bureau itself. They're a Canadian fintech company that partners with Equifax, one of Canada's two major credit bureaus. This partnership allows Borrowell to access your Equifax credit report and translate it into a user-friendly format, including your precious credit score, the magic number lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Here's the catch. While Borrowell itself doesn't perform a credit check, accessing your Equifax report through their platform triggers a soft inquiry. Don't panic. Unlike hard inquiries that lenders make when you apply for credit cards, loans, or mortgages, soft inquiries have no negative impact on your credit score. Borrowell's free credit score. The good news? Borrowell really does offer free credit score access. You can sign up, link your bank account, and see your Equifax score in a flash. It's a convenient way to get a glimpse of your credit health, especially if you've been in the dark for a while. But there's more to the story. Remember, Borrowell is a business, and free services rarely come without strings attached. Borrowell makes money by recommending financial products based on your credit score. So, expect to see targeted ads for credit cards, loans, and other financial services. Is Borrowell the only option? Definitely not. Here's a breakdown of your credit score buffet. Your bank. Many banks in Canada offer free credit score access to their account holders. Check your online banking platform. You might already have this perk. TransUnion, the other major credit bureau in Canada, TransUnion, also offers a free credit report and score, though you might have to jump through a few hoops to access it. Alternatives, there are other free credit score services out there, but be cautious. Do your research to ensure they're reputable and secure with your data. So, is Borrowell legit? Absolutely. They provide a legitimate service, free access to your Equifax credit score and report, with a soft inquiry. However, it's not a free lunch. Be prepared for targeted financial product recommendations. The final score. Borrowell can be a helpful tool, especially for those starting their credit journey or simply wanting a convenient way to monitor their Equifax score. But remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Don't rely solely on Borrowell. Consider checking your TransUnion report as well, and most importantly, understand the factors that affect your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.